Hello friends, welcome back on this YouTube channel. I am Professor Saurabh Naik taking a next session under the discipline Geology. So today's topic is types of rock. Under this, the first session of igneous rock. This type of rock is a 3-session series. So what are the objectives? Why we learn this topic? Why we learn the types of rock or rock? So answer is to understand terms regarding rock, to know the classification of igneous rock, to know the formation and uses of igneous rock. Let's move towards the basic terminology. Petrology. What is meant by petrology? Science of rocks deals with a mode of occurrence, composition, classification and origin of rocks. Earth crust is made up of various forms of rock made by various processes. Also includes study of texture and structure of rocks. Now we move our first type of rock. Now we move our main topic, that is a rock. What is meant by rock? How rock is formed? The answer is rock is an aggregate of minerals, may be made up of one mineral or different mineral. Means a rock is made up of single mineral, then that rock is called as monomineralic. And a rock with a more than one mineral or a different mineral, that particular rock is known as polymineralic rock. On the basis of a rock is a naturally occurring solid mass or aggregate of mineral. It is categorized by the minerals, included its chemical composition and the way in which it is formed. On these of origin divided into igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Today's session will learn basic things, formation, types, classification and uses of igneous rock. So our today's topic is igneous rock. Form from a originally hot molten material through process of cooling and crystallization. The hot molten material occurring naturally below surface of earth called magma. Igneous rock is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. The magma can be derived from partial melts of existing rocks in either a planet's mantle or crust. The igneous rock is divided into three. First, volcanic rock, second, plutonic rock and third, hypobasalt rock. Let's see one by one. The first one is volcanic rock. Formed on surface of earth by cooling and crystallization of lava. Second, grain size crystal formed in this rock is very fine. For example, Deccan Trap. Generally in Maharashtra, a basalt rock is formed and Deccan Trap, a general or common rock is a Deccan Trap. Second type of igneous rock is plutonic rock, formed at a depth of 7 to 10 km below the earth's surface. It has very slow rate of cooling, results magma are coarse grain. In case of volcanic rock, it is a fine grain, and in case of plutonic rock, it is a texture is coarse grain. For example, granite. And last type of igneous rock is hypobasalt rock, formed at intermediate depth up to 2 km below the earth's surface. in between volcanic rock and plutonic rock. Mixed characteristics of volcanic rock and plutonic rock are present in hypabasal rock. Next is classification of igneous rock. Classification of igneous rock. The first one is a chemical classification, second mineralogical classification, and third one is a textural classification. Let's see one by one. The first one is a chemical classification. First point is the norm, a standard minerals of calculated chemical composition. Type of mineral that present in igneous rock. A salic mineral. A salic mineral is present in igneous rock. For example, quartz, feldspar. In case of phemic minerals, the examples are magnetite and chromatic rock, etc. Next, nomenclature. To signify domination of high or moderate order, it is a ratio of salic and phemic. If a ratio is greater than 7, the class is persalic. In between 7 to 1.66, dull salic. 1.66 to 0.6, sulfamic. 0.6 to 0.14, dophamic. And less than 0.14, perfamic. So these are the class name which is depends upon the salic to phemic ratio, that is a salic mineral and phemic mineral ratio. Second classification of igneous rock is mineralogical classification. Mineralogical composition of an igneous rock. Felsic mineral. If a felsic minerals are present in igneous rock, it is a light in color and having a low density. For example, quartz, feldspar, etc. In case of mafic mineral, it is a dark color, high density and contain ferromagnesian materials. For example, mica, oxides of ions, etc. Next classification is textural classification. Indicative of conditions under which rocks have formed. Under which conditions a rock is formed, that shows in a textural classification. First, phanerites, coarse grain in which all constituent minerals identified by human eye. In phanerite, minerals are identified by human eye. Aphanites, composed chiefly of fine grained constituents. Sometimes it shows well developed coarse crystals. And third one is a glasses. Minerals are present in practically uncrystallized form or glass due to very rapid cooling. These three are the textural classification of igneous rock. The first one is the phanerites, which shows the coarse grain identified by human eye. Aphanites and glasses. The next point is uses of igneous rock. The most important, the uses of igneous rock. Very high crushing strength, hence used in a construction work. Generally, a stone masonry is used for in which igneous rock is used. Basalt is a strong but not used in a residential building, but used as a foundation or road stone. Basalt is a famous example of igneous rock. Igneous rock used in construction of dams and reservoir because the water absorption of basalt or water absorption of igneous rock is very less. Many valuable minerals of much economic work. Igneous rock contains many valuable minerals of much economic worth. So these are the information about igneous rock. So for concluding this session with an important point that we understand the basic terminology like petrology, rock, igneous rock, etc. Also we see in this session igneous, what is meant by igneous rock, what are the different types of igneous rock, what are the classification of igneous rock and their application or uses. So here we end up this first session under the topic type of rock. We will meet on next video with the series of type of rock, that is secondary rock or sedimentary rock. Thank you.